businesses, these tend to be, when you have a business or enterprise, this is something separate to you that you're working on. And those people call themselves entrepreneurs. Whereas you also have the people who are H's, who are called hustlers. These are people who just quickly buy and flip things, you know, buy this for £1, sell it for 2. These people also call themselves entrepreneurs. And you also have the S's. Anyone guess what the S is?
Services.
Where that come?
Services.
Services? Ooh, kind of. People who are self-employed, who also class themselves as entrepreneurs. But each one of those things, whether you're a business owner, whether you're self-employed, or whether you're a hustler, they're complete different things, and you require complete different mindsets and a complete different attitude to things. Because when you're a business, when you have a business, like I said, it's a separate entity to you. I mean, by definition, you can be a business owner, you go on company's house, you register a name, it probably costs you like £20, bang, all of a sudden you're a business owner. Technically on paper. But for me, a business is an enterprise or an organization that you own that generates money for you. So you own a system that generates profits. So each one of those things you mentioned, so we've got Tesla. Who owns Tesla? Elon Musk. I don't even know who owns Nando's or M&S, to be fair. But either way, they're businesses, so someone owns that, what creates money for them. And the business is a collection of people working together for that business. Whereas when you're self-employed, you don't necessarily have that, it's just you.